Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into laser engraving, crafting, or looking to take your business to next level, today's review is for you. We are exploring the Omtech F30 30-watt fiber laser engraving and cutting machine. A powerful tool that combines speed, precision and versatility to handle a variety of projects. Whether you are seasoned pro or just starting out, this machine is packed with features that will blow you away. Let's see this machine in action, then we will dive into the details. is designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, delivering professional-grade results without breaking the bank. Straight out of the box, you will find a complete package to get started. The fiber laser engraver, a monitor mount, safety goggles, mounting clamps, a USB flash drive loaded with software, and even a foot switch for hands-free operation. At 29 kg, this machine is portable enough for small workshops, yet robust enough to handle industrial projects. Let's start with one of its standout features: speed. The Omtech F30 boasts a maximum engraving speed of 7000 mm per second, thanks to its advanced Galvotech drive and scanning system. That means you can produce high-quality results faster than ever, whether it's a single item or a large batch of products. But speed is only part of the story. With a positioning accuracy of 0.1 micrometers, that's 0.00004 inches. This machine captures even the tiniest details, making it perfect for intricate designs, logos, and text. One of the reasons the Omtech F30 stands out is its versatility. Whether you are engraving personalized jewelry like gold and silver bracelets or creating industrial markings like barcodes and QR codes, this machine handles it all with ease. It works seamlessly across a variety of materials, delivering consistent high-quality results every time. From one of the gifts to book production, the F30's capabilities make it a powerful tool for businesses and creative projects alike. Now, let's talk about curved surfaces. Have you ever struggled to engrave on rings, bracelets, or other curved items? With the F30, it's a breeze. Simply connect a rotary axis attachment via the plug-and-play 4-pin connection port, and you are ready to engrave detailed designs on curved objects. It's ideal for personalizing jewelry, watches, and more. Omtech has made this machine incredibly user-friendly. The adjustable focus height wheel allows for quick and precise calibration, ensuring optimal laser performance every time. Whether you are working on fine details or larger projects, aligning your design is fast and hassle-free. And check out this feature, the Red Laser Preview function. Before engraving, you can preview the exact dimensions and position of your design, whether it is text, a graphic, or a logo. This reduces error and makes the setup process far more efficient. Safety is always top priority, and Omtech has you covered with its protective enclosure. This feature holds the laser automatically when the door is opened, preventing accidental exposure. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, you can work with peace of mind knowing the machine prioritizes your safety. Another reason to love the F30 is its compatibility with both EasyCAD 2 and Lightburn. Lightburn's latest Galvo functionality works across Windows, macOS, and Linux, giving you the flexibility to design from any platform. And with support for all major file formats like AI, JPG, PNG, and DXF, you can bring your creative vision to life with ease. Here is a quick look at the technical specs. This machine is compact yet powerful, weighing 29 kg and includes all the tools you need to get started right away. To wrap things up, the Omtech F30 30-watt fiber laser engraver is an incredible machine for anyone looking to take their engraving projects to the next level. Its speed, precision, and versatility make it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. From intricate designs on curved surfaces to large-scale industrial engraving, this machine delivers outstanding results with every use. If you are ready to invest in a powerful, reliable, and user-friendly engraver, the F30 is a top choice. Check out the link in the description for more details, discount code, and pricing. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.